Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is a South Bend 16-inch by 33-inch lathe. It is a catalog number CL8117C. It has a 6-foot bed. One 3/8 spindle hole. It has a 3 horsepower and 1.5 horsepower 2-speed motor. Flat belts. Spindle speeds. And this one has a D1-4 Camlock spindle. I've got an 8-inch South Bend 4-jaw independent chuck. Did not get a 3-jaw with it, but if you want us to add one, we can get one. Taper attachment. Rocker or lantern style tool post. Compound doesn't have too many dings. It has the large dials. Thread dial. Morse Taper 3 tailstock. I've got a 5C collet closer. Spindle adapter. And a nearly complete 1/8 to 1 inch 5C collet set. I'm missing the 7/8. Spindle adapter to a Morse Taper 3 dead center. Both of the tool holders are for carbide. This one has flame hardened ways, and they are in very nice condition. Quick change gearbox. Oop, almost forgot the carriage stop. Let's go ahead and make a quick cut with it. Like I said, the ways are really nice. Thanks for looking.